The 175 Jamaicans who arrived on the Norwegian cruise line ship, which docked in Falmouth, Trelawney Monday evening, have disembarked. The Jamaicans, who were tested for the coronavirus, were transported to the Bahia Principal Hotel in St. Anne, where they will await their results. But as Anthony Lugg reports, there are growing fears among some of the ship workers.
Scenes from the Falmouth Pier in Trelawney on Thursday. 2 ships docked, Oceana Marina from the Norwegian cruise line and the Carnival Glory. Those aboard the Carnival Glory will have to wait until Friday to disembark, but the 175 aboard the Oceana Marina were allowed to do so today. Director for the Western Regional Health Authority, Errol Green, spoke with our news team.
Well, we started this morning at 8. We processed 172 persons from the Norwegian ship, the Marina. We completed the processing at about 10:40, so all the persons are off that ship and have been making their way to the respective hotels where they'll be staying.
Those quarantine facilities include the Grand Bahia Principe Hotel. Some crew members who arrived in the island on May 19 had concerns about that facility. However, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton said this at a press conference last week.
The medical team have a very strict deep cleaning protocol, which they have been practicing for the last 3+ months since COVID has come to Jamaica, not only in hotels, but in hospitals.
But in a little over a week, fear is growing, and it's all because of this video making rounds on social media.
By 5:45, they kick us out of the room at Bahia Principe Hotel. And from 5:45, they kick us out of the room. We've got nothing to eat, nothing to drink.
Mr. Green says he's seen the video and has taken note.
Based on what I saw, that would not come under the responsibility of my remit. But I'm concerned because what I saw allegedly took place in Montego Bay. So I've asked the parish manager and the medical officer of health to conduct an investigation and to provide me with a report to see whether or not my region or the parish of St. James had anything to do with it, to see what errors were made and to see how best we can correct and prevent that happening again in the future.
Efforts are on the way to bring home 2,000 Jamaicans working with various cruise lines by the end of the month. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.